Hello everybody, this is my week's page about the lesson plan. The theme for this explanation is WH questions in simple past tense. First, here we have a tag where WH words are explained. Here we have different kind of questions. In English we have yes/no questions, which are questions to be answered yes or no. For example, do you like to play tennis? This question can only be answered by saying yes, I like to play tennis, or no, I don't like to play tennis. But there are other questions, like for example, this one beginning with WH words. The WH words can be, for example, what, when you are asking about specific information about something. For example, what are you doing? The answer could be, I am doing my homework. The word when is used when you ask about the time. For example, when did you come? And you can answer, I came yesterday. Where is used to ask about places. For example, where were you yesterday? And the answer could be, I was at home. When we use the word who, is because we are asking about a person, about the identity of somebody. For example, who is knocking at the door? You can answer, Peter is knocking on the door. When we use the word how, it's because we are asking about the way something is done. For example, how did you come to school? The answer could be, I came to school by bus. The word why is used to ask about the reason of an event. For example, why are you coming so late? You can answer, I am coming so late because it was raining. Which is a word used to ask about an element among a group. For example, which is better, France or Spain? Okay, now you can select one of the two countries to answer this question. That's it for the moment on the WH words and WH questions. Now we are going to show some examples about these questions and their possible answers. For example, what did your father buy yesterday? Okay, the word what, it's asking about element, so the answer is, he bought some candies. Where did you go last week? I went to Aruba. When did she play tennis? She played tennis last Sunday. Why did the children eat all the ice cream? They ate it because they were very thirsty. Okay, now continue with the second activity about questions. Okay, in this activity, the teacher delivers some cards with WH words. What, when, where, who, why, whose, how, and which. He puts them all inside the box, and each student takes a card and must complete the question by placing the correct WH word. As examples of this activity, we have four items. One is, for example, if here we have 7 o'clock as the answer, it means that we are asking about time. So the correct word here is when. When did she leave? In the second item, we have the answer is his wallet. So if we are asking about an element, the question word here is what. What did Louis lose? He lost his wallet. Here the answer is to Medellin, so they are asking about a place. So where did your parents go yesterday? They went to Medellin. Here, when the answer begins with because, it's because we are asking about the reason. So here the WH word is why. Why did Peter wake up early? Okay, he woke up early because he has to go to work. Okay, the next activity is about a video. Okay, in this video we can have several routines, and those routines are seen by the students, and they are going to see the actions of these activities, and they will have to make some questions in past tense about all of these charts. Now this is my presentation about the lesson plan. Thank you very much for coming, and bye bye.